Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how to install AnyDesk, a remote desktop software which you can access your office computer or any other computer anywhere in the world. So this is a virtual computer which is running in my computer itself. So think of this as the remote computer which you want to access. First of all, we need to download the software. So I open my browser and search for AnyDesk. First link, AnyDesk. You need to click on the AnyDesk link. It will take you to that website. So you click on download now, and it will just give you basic instructions. It will download and you need to run. So I'm waiting for it to download. Yeah, the download started. It's not a setup file, just when you open it will run the interface. So I open the software. This is the basic interface which you will get. Over here it will show your ID, which anybody connecting from outside needs this ID to be entered in their computer for this to connect to this one. So I have already installed AnyDesk in my local. So what I do is I'll use that ID over here. And press connect. What will happen now, it will look for that computer and it will ask to accept from the other end, and it might ask you to allow this software to run. It's Windows permissions, so you can allow access. It's the Windows firewall. It's just creating the rules you can allow. So if I look at my local computer, I can see the desktop which is over there in the remote computer. You can minimize, you can use the computer and do anything you want. This is with this setup, there needs to be someone in the other end to accept your connections. What we can do is set up unattended remote access. So I'm going to close this connection, and in the settings what you can do is go to AnyDesk settings. On the top corner you have these lines. You can press that and settings, then go to security and enable unattended access, and you can put in a password. I'm going to put a simple password over here. Seems you need to have a bit of a good password to be entered. So I'm gonna have it. Yeah, apply. So after that, what will happen is when I connect to the computer, it will ask for that password. So I'm gonna put in that password. So straight away I go into that computer without anybody allowing me to come in, so I can remote access and remote control this computer. Next part I'm going to show you is how to install. Basically you have this tab over here. You can press this and leave the default settings. It will just create shortcuts and it will keep up to date. Accept and install, press yes. Allow this to install. So you got AnyDesk installed in your local now, so you can go ahead and close that, and you can see it over here. It's running in the background. So again, if I try to connect to that computer, so anyways, if once I connect to one of the computers, it will keep it as a saved tab. I just need to double click that. So it will ask for the password again. and straight away I got the access. So that's how you install AnyDesk and use to remote access to any computer in your workplace or anywhere else. So hope this video is helpful for you, and have a great day. Thanks.